Hey everyone, today I'll walk you through the exact steps to lock your Facebook profile. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. Open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility, and select Followers and Public Content. Tap Public Profile Info and change it from Public to Friends. Go back and select Public Post Notifications. Change the setting to Friends of Friends instead of Public. Save the changes and go back. Tap Profile and Tagging. Tap Who can post on your profile. Select Only Me and save. Enable Review Tags. People add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Go back and select Profile Locking. Tap Lock Your Profile. Done. Your Facebook profile is now locked and secured. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.